Trenches. I'm Karen Ahmed. Meal prep is so important. I like to get a couple of things done over the weekend so I have enough food to last me for the rest of the week so I'm not running out and buying high-calorie foods from the store. Now today we're going to be making a delicious grilled chicken. I'm going to be making a spinach and cilantro grilled chicken. Now I love to have a little bit of protein with a salad. It makes a great meal, but I like to switch up the recipes every now and then so I'm not eating the same kind of grilled chicken all the time. This combination is amazing. I'm going to make a delicious blend of spinach and coriander or cilantro together with some green chilies and garlic and ginger. And I'm going to smother my chicken in this. Now you can either barbecue this or you can just grill it and stick it in your oven, and it is absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week. So make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see them. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. We're going to start with the beautiful green spice blend. In my food processor, I'm going to start with the juice of a lime. I'm going to follow this with 1 teaspoon each of peppercorns and cumin seeds. I'm also going to add about 10 cloves of garlic and a 2-inch piece of ginger that I've sliced to make it easy to process. I'm adding 5 green chilies. Now these are small green chilies. You can leave them out if you like. I have 2 cups here each of spinach and cilantro or coriander, and I'm just going to add a little bit of each to my food processor first, and I'm going to process it. This looks like the bottom has started to blend together, but the top is still untouched. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water just to get this going. Now this looks much better. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and I'm going to scrape down all of that green paste off the sides. Add the rest of the spinach and the cilantro or coriander and keep processing. Now this could take some time, so be patient. Push down the coriander and spinach and keep processing it till you get a nice smooth blend. Now this looks just about right. I have some boneless chicken here. This is roughly about 2 pounds, but this marinade is very forgiving, so you could add a bit more chicken if you like. Add about a teaspoon of salt to taste and scrape down all of the marinade on top of the chicken. Mix this well and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have extra time and you're meal prepping in advance, you can prepare this a day ahead. Just stick it in the fridge, and the longer it marinates, the better it tastes. Ideally, I would love to barbecue this, but given how crappy it looks outside, I've decided to use my grill pan instead. I'm just going to add some oil to get it going, and I'm going to ensure it's nice and hot before searing my chicken. When you have a nice color, flip it over and cook it on the other side. I prefer to just sear it and then finish cooking the batch in the oven for about 30 minutes. Especially since I'm using dark chicken, I want to make sure that there's no paint at all. If you're cooking this on the stovetop, just cook it till it's cooked all the way through. This is ready to eat. joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for spinach and cilantro grilled chicken. It's not only great with some salad, but you can also top it on top of a pasta. You can use it as a filling inside a wrap. It's delicious any way you look at it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. And do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends and help me get the word out. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care guys. Bye.